everybody? Hope you're having another blessed day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my POV of spending one marvelous night at the Louisville Zoo Asian Lights. So with that in mind, sit back, relax, and enjoy the entertainment. So hey everybody, I am hopping in real quick to kind of quick little interruption, cause what's I'm showing you quick right now is something that I ordered exclusively that was available at the Louisville Zoo during the Asian Lights. Now this is located at the good old restaurant right here, the Wild Burger, and I ordered myself a pad thai burger. Alright, so let's hop on in there and order this burger real quick. Okay, so here's the pad thai burger. We got a little fry here. Now, I'll say the fries, after taking a bite of it, it's your ordinary kind of fry. Now, we take a bite of this pad thai burger, though. Now, this pad thai burger, it's pretty interesting. One, it had like some kind of like vinaigrette slaw on top with a fried egg and all that stuff, and like the crispy fried onions. And when I took a bite of this sucker, look at that delicious right there. And also has some kind of weird teriyaki sauce on top too. By weird, I mean freaking delicious. Yeah, take a little nibble of that. You know what? This burger was freaking fire, I tell you. So if you head there during this time, definitely get the pad thai burger. On to the video. And with that, that's going to do it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Guys, helps you support me and helps me make more videos for you to enjoy. And you never know. Once you subscribe, you never know what trip video is going to be popping up next on my channel. Now with that, you know what it's time for me to say. I hope the rest of your week is blessed. Hope to see you again in the next video. And with that in mind, I'm out.